Yes, so hello guys, today I am going to show how you can use the you can build the Webrtc and use it in the Microsoft Visual Studio. uh, so let's go step by step. Also I am going to show that this is working for me. Let's build it and you can see that it didn't give failed, so yeah, that's working. Okay, so first you need to install the depot tools. I have made some docs. I will put it in the comment section or description. You can take it. So first you need to clone the depot tools and you need to add it to the path. So here is my depot tools, and you can go to the system variable, and then in the path you can see that I have added the depot tools here, and make sure this is above on any Python path. So let's say if there is any Python path, so make sure to include it on the above. Okay, so yeah, after this one more thing you need to do is to add the depot tool win toolchain, and its variable value should be 0. So these two things, and after that depot tools is there, and what it will do, it will allow you to use the fetch and gclient one. So now you need to go to the web like I made any new folder. I have made Webrtc build, and here in the command prompt just use fetch nohooks Webrtc, and if you want full Webrtc then just remove it. And then after this is done, you need to use the gclient sync on this only. So this will makes makes a source here, and here you will get all the Webrtc things. And then I'm actually doing it for Unreal Engine, so I just replace this. We have a static CRT, we just replace it with the dynamic CRT, and you can check it. It's in the source, build, then config, and then Windows, Build.gn. Here you need to just find the where it is written, just change it to this based on your thing. Yeah, so after this thing you need to go in the source folder. So in the source, just go to the command prompt, and you need to run this command, and then after it is done you need to run the auto ninja C out default. So this will actually build your Webrtc and give you the lib files in the out default, and in the object, yeah, you can see webrtc.lib, and you have every lib here, like in the RTC base C, every libs are there. So you just need to use this lib. Yeah, so after these things are done, you need to make a new project with the MSVS. Make a simple console application, go to the properties. Here we need to do a lot of things. First, make sure to use C++20. I guess 17 will also work, but some of the things I need is like only on the 20, so I use 20. And yeah, in the include file you need to add the source, and then out default gen and the upsell CPP. This is what you really need. Otherwise what happened, like these audio processing.h have like a dependent on this one. So if you don't include this, you will not see error, but like while building it's give you error. And then I'm using port audio, so this is a different one. Okay, so yeah, after this After this you need to you can add the preprocessor the CRT secure no warning, but I don't think this will going to work. You need to add this in the command line, like some of the warnings it treated as error, so just add this thing here. And yeah, in the additional library I have added you just need to only include the first one, not this. You can even remove this. I'm just using it for testing something. And then in the input I provide some yeah, you need to add these thing in the additional dependency. That is the WebRTC, which is which the path you already provide, and these things you need to make sure you need to add. These are Windows one, so you don't need to download it from anywhere. Just add this and it will going to work. Yeah, these things are there. And yeah, one more thing is just let me quickly go through. Yeah, in the code generation make sure you use the multi-threaded DLL in the runtime. And yeah, I guess after doing all these things, yeah, after doing all these things you can simply include these things and also the in the latest versions they are not using RTC, they are using WebRTC for everything. Like before they are using, yeah, the scope ref pointer, they are actually using RTC before, but this is but we need to use the WebRTC. Yeah, you can see it's come under the WebRTC now. Yeah, so I guess that's it. By using these things you can able to use the WebRTC one. I am actually using it for the AEC purpose. I don't find any good documentation on it, so I think I made a video for you guys. So yeah, that's it.